हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन reads that read the following and answer the questions given below. Following the compatible pollination, the pollen grains germinates on stigma to produce a pollen tube which grows through the tissues of stigma in style and reaches to the ovary. If the pollen grain was shed at two-cell stage, the generative cell divides and form the two male gametes during the growth of pollen tube. While in plants which shed pollen grains in three-celled condition, the pollen tube carries the two male gametes from the beginning. The pollen tube enters into the ovule and penetrates into the embryo sac. Within the embryo sac, the pollen tubes enter into one of the synergids through the filiform apparatus. Now the pollen tube releases two male gametes into the space developed by degeneration of penetrated synergid. One of the male gamete moves towards the egg cell and fuses with nucleus, thus completing the syngamy, resulting into the formation of diploid zygote. The other male gamete moves towards the two polar nuclei located in the central cell and fuses with them to produce the diploid primary endosperm nucleus. As this involves the fusion of three haploid nucleus, it is termed as triple fusion. Since two types of fusion, syngamy and triple fusion, takes place in the embryo sac, this phenomenon is called double fertilization, an event which is unique to the flowering plants. After fusion, the central cell becomes the primary endosperm cell and develops into endosperm, while the zygote develops into embryo. सो इस पैसेज के बिहाफ पर हमको तीन क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं जिनको हमको सॉल्व करना है। 3 to 4 क्वेश्चंस हमको दिए गए जिनको सॉल्व करना है। सो सबसे पहले हम इसके की कंसेप्ट को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। ये पूरा पैसेज और इससे रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चंस है दैट कैन बी सॉल्व्ड अपॉन यूजिंग द कंसेप्ट ऑफ डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन इन प्लांट्स। डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन इन प्लांट्स। ओके, नाउ एक एक करके इन क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग डील करते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेज दैट why angiospermic plants produce endosperm while other plants do not? So in angiosperm, endosperms are produced. Endosperms are produced during development of embryo. Development of embryo. So endosperm का possible role क्या है? In talking about the angiosperm, the endosperm provides nourishment to the embryo. जो embryo डेवलप हो रहा है उसको नरिशमेंट प्रोवाइड करने का काम करता है एंडोस्पर्म, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इन एंजियोस्पर्म द endosperms are produced. Along with nourishment, protection is also a function, but protection will be counted as additional function. अगर हमसे कोई मेन फंक्शन का बात करेगा कि पूछा जाएगा कि why is the need of the endosperm, so the first answer will be nourishment. Okay, now moving to the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा जा रहा है व्हाट इज द एंट्री पॉइंट ऑफ पॉलन ट्यूब्स इनटू द एम्ब्रियो सैक। जब हमने इस पूरे पैसेज को पढ़ा देन इट इज रिटन दैट एंट्री ऑफ pollen tube occurs through one of the synergid cells. So one of the synergid cells, one of the synergid cell, and it is guided by, and the entry is guided by filiform apparatus. Filiform apparatus. Now इसको डायग्रामेटिकली भी हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. So let us draw a diagram. So let us suppose this represents the female gametophyte. This is the chalazal end which consists of 3 antipodal cells. This is the micropylar end where we have 2 synergid cells. This represents the egg cell. There is a filiform apparatus which is being represented using this finger-like projection, and in the center of the central cell 2 polar nuclei are present. So this represents the three antipodal cells. These are the polar nuclei, two polar nuclei. These are the three antipodal cells. These two represents the synergid cells, and this is the egg cell. So when we talk about the entry of the pollen tube, so this pollen tube enters via this one of the synergid cell. Pollen tube enters via one of these synergid cell. So इस तरह से entry of pollen tube will be through one of the synergid cell. Okay. Moving towards the third question. The third question or the second question has OR part. So it is second OR part. Now it says that which one of the cell in the embryo sac produces the endosperm after double fertilization. So अगर इस डायग्राम को आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो क्या होता है, इस pollen tube में दो मेल गैमेट्स होंगे, two male gametes, first male gamete and second male gamete. ये जो पहला मेल गैमेट है that will move towards egg cell for fertilization and this will move towards the two polar nuclei for forming the endosperm. So question में जो पूछा गया है कि which one of the cell in the embryo sac produce endosperm after double fertilization? So the answer will be polar nuclei present in central cell. Two polar nuclei present in the central cell fuses with one male gamete to form the triploid endosperm. Okay. Third question is कि what does double fertilization refers? तो इस पैसेज को जब आप पढ़ते हो तो यहां पर क्लियरली मेंशन किया गया है डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन का मतलब हुआ कि देयर टू टाइम्स फ्यूजन इज happening two times, happening twice. Now कौन कौन से वो केसेस है जहां पर फ्यूजन हो रहा है? The first one being the fusion of male gamete plus egg cell, जिससे कि zygote formation हो रहा है. And the second fusion that is occurring is between fusion of another male gamete with two polar nuclei to form triploid endosperm. Now since the fusion is happening twice and different products, zygote and endosperms, are formed, this process is known as double fertilization. So इस तरह से हमने सारे क्वेश्चंस को डील कर लिया है. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.